Come on, you won! Come on! Wakey, wakey! Wakey, Come on, Nabila! Come on, Dave! Dave, give us a wave! Let's go! Give us a wave, Dave! Let's go! Dave, you need a shave! Dave, you're a bit wrecked, aren't you, mate? How many beans do you boss send tonight? Dave, give us a ride! Sit down, shut up! Sit down, shut up! Sit down, shut up! Keep running, right? Catch the train if you can. Hey! Hey, alright, mate. Give us a wave. Wave for the camera. Oh dear, what a shame. He's gone now. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey.
Where are you from?
Oi, oi, don't be shy!
Don't be nasty!
Spit some lyrics! You're going to spit some lyrics to the camera? Oh, MacDonald had a bar. Breakdown! Next stop, breakdown! Shush.
Why you get something breakdown? You get off. I'm not kidding.
Oi, Brady. Brady. Hey! Where's this specs gone? Where's this specs gone? Where's this specs gone? Where's this specs gone? Can't see you. Got Critolic to the left. I got Savaloy to the right. Daniel Ruddick and Price. Yes, I'm feeling nice when the price is right. It's time. Give us a wave, Dave. Camera. Hey, watch her. Watch her. Maybe when you get home to bed.
What are you saying, kid?
Here are some rubbish Flight down! Get him into the next stop! Dave, where are you getting off? Hey, one good! Hey, fuck you! Here, how would you like a Mackey's? Here, have a Mackey's! Ah! Hey! Have a Mackey's! Chair on it! There's a chair on his head! Chair on his head! There's a chair on his head! Chair on his head! There's a fucking chair on his head! Seat on his head!
Wait, someone find that bag of prayer.
It's Brian climbing on the steps like a rude boy as usual. How do you like salt and vinegar, Dave? Ah! Leave me alone! Fuck off!
How long is it? 2 minutes?
2 minutes to go! 2 minutes to go! 2 minutes to go! Here, have a can of Kestrel Super! That's Strongbow, actually. Sauce on the head! You got some sauce on your head!
Sauce on your head!
Fuck off! Sauce in your hair! Here, have a fork! Fuck off! He's got some sauce in his hair. Where your glasses gone? Put your glasses back on! Hey! Hey, you can't see where you're throwing that without your specs on, can you, right? Leave him alone. Dave, put your thumb up to the camera, I'll turn it off. Put your thumb up. Hey, in a bit.